Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take apart and put back together 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first, you want to start with finding some edges that are a little smoother, and what you want to do is put it at an angle. My red and white edges are good, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the piece, I'm going to do a little pull and a twist, try and wiggle it out. You don't want to put too much force to break the piece, and now that we have it like that, just take these pieces off. And then you should end up with the core, which is all, if you can see, a little blue thing inside. That's the actual core. And to put it back together, you wanna do it kind of like how you solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. You go layer by layer. You start with making a cross. See that first white edge. We got a orange and white. Got red and white. And then blue and white. See. The cube is a little tight right now. Alright, and then you want to get, actually no, put it in corner by corner. I haven't done this in a while. So you go corner, edge like that. And then you keep going around the cube. Blue and white next. Alright, the final piece for the white side. And you should end up with it looking something like this. Alright, now next, we're going to want to put it together. So we take the edge piece and put it in between the two colors in correct rotation. So then it ends up like that, and you'll do 3 in total of them. Leave the last one open. Seems like we're going to leave the red and green open for this one. And then you're going to want to put the pieces in from the bottom to the top. So that one, then looks like I have green, orange, and orange and yellow. Blue and yellow. Alright, so you get down to these last 2 pieces. Then you want to put in your final edge piece. And then get that last corner in. And you put it at an angle again. You should be able to slide back in. Just like that, you've taken apart and put back together your Rubik's Cube. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next one, right?